What's up everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Invested Minds YouTube channel. My name is Zakaria. Today I want to discuss a very interesting tool that I use. Trade on a daily time frame, weekly time frame, hourly time frame, 4 hour, it doesn't matter. This tool, a simple tool, gives you a clear overview where support and where resistance is, and you can trade it very easily. My name is Zakaria, and check this video out. But right now, I want to go further and talk about this interesting tool that I talked about in the beginning. Well, firstly, this tool is, you can use it in different ways. Okay, it is very simple, but it gives you a clear indication about the price action, and I like to use this tool a lot. And this tool I will be using, and already using it, at this white line here. You see this white line? That's the baseline of this tool, and this tool is named parallel channel. The parallel channel is a very interesting way to analyze where the next support or resistance could be coming in, and why. I will explain you why. This pattern has been used for a long time by traders, and let's use it. Let's don't talk about and use it. I like to take this for example. Okay, we take this low right here, take the low of COVID and extend it. We can even use this high right here of the 2070 bull market and check what is happening. And guys, very interesting. Check it out. What we see here is the connection, holding connection of 25k, that is not only here like a previous support flipping and previous and new resistance, but also we can see here resistance from this channel. If you follow this channel, yes, there is a clear indication that this area was resistance, and here we saw it again, resistance again. And when it broke this channel, watch, when it broke this channel all the way to 30k, it flipped into support. Check it out. Went to support and then went back to this channel again. You see, went back to the upside of this parallel channel. Then you have the diagonal support line of the rising wedge. So you can see that this parallel channel has meaningful data on it. It gives you amazing areas of resistance and support. So let's use the parallel channel on the short term, guys. Okay, imagine we are still at the 30k level, above 30k. We see this beautiful sideways action, and when you draw this parallel channel, you will get this support right here. You see that? Around 30k, going up until 30.25. If you're a scalper, a short-term trader, it's amazing to trade this. Why? Very simply, you buy the lows, you sell the highs. You buy the lows, you sell the highs. Let me show it to you guys. Here is the high. Okay, you can even start with this data. You have this data, it's more than enough to draw this parallel channel. If you have this low here and this high, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Imagine you still only have this low and this high. Okay, take this parallel channel, you print it here. You see that? And you take the high right here. Then you extend this channel in the same way while keeping the highs and the high and the low intact, as you can see. See that? Perfectly. Then it gives you support and resistance. You buy support, sell resistance. You buy support, sell the half. You can also use the midline, this midline here, as resistance. You buy support, sell resistance. You buy support, sell resistance. You buy support, sell resistance. You're gonna sell it early if you're gonna hold this line. Okay, and then it goes on. It even gives you this high right here. You see this high of the top of the channel, because there's always a high chance that the top of that channel will be tested again, because the traders will use this, not only you, as their zone of trading. Buy and sell, sell and buy and sell, short sell, buy long, short sell, buy long. And if you hold onto this and you respect this channel, eventually you will start to see the weakness in Bitcoin right here. You see that? We saw this buy, sell, resistance, support, resistance, support, and then you can see that it start moving away from this channel. You start to see that the price lost its support, goes away to those liquidity wick area. Let me go back, and then make sure that this high, this previous support, start to become a resistance. I'm not saying that because it is always drawing down. I'm saying that because we have our experience about this. It's the first, second time resistance. Boom. Then Bitcoin starts to trade in others, in a new liquidity zone. That's how traders see and use channels as a navigation, to be very cautious. And with that, you use the trading rules. As the more support get tested, the more it gets weaker. The more resistance get tested, the more it gets weakened. The more chances the prices will break that resistance. And that's the navigation you hold as a trader with parallel channels. Now we're going to use this area, new area of beautiful resistance and support. We're going to take these lows here, and we're going to use them with this low here. See these lows here? You're going to use it with these lows here. So this area here, if you draw it down, you're going to see again a beautiful area of support and resistance. Again, support, resistance, support, testing this wick here. Beautiful. You see that? Here again. You see that? All those fake outs here going back in the channel also gives you an indication of that price action in the short term will be going up. And then using this channel again as navigation, that the moment the area of prices will lose this channel and doesn't go back immediately again, like here, fakes out, boom, inside, fakes out, boom, inside, fakes out, stays a little bit, boom, inside. The moment that doesn't happen anymore, and you see that bulls will not have the strength here to go back immediately up, and yeah, you see this big drop here. See that? That is how we use parallel channels on different time frames to get an indication of what is happening right now. Even here in the lows, even here, listen, watch this. We have this low here, okay? We have this high. See that? What are we gonna do? Gonna use the support. See that? Use the support and then draw it all the way up here. See that? Beautiful channel. Then we're gonna extend it. See that? Then we're gonna extend it. See that? Imagine we don't know this price action. We don't know what is gonna happen right now to the price action. See that? We don't know. Okay, Bitcoin just broke out, but respected the support all the way down. See, you're gonna keep buying the support. You're gonna keep buying because as long as it holds, you need to respect support. Then it broke up. So this beautiful candle, we trade this candle if you remember in our previous videos. But then you're gonna say Bitcoin price needs to stay above this parallel channel here, all the way up. Needs to stay above it because previous support, a previous resistance must hold as new support. So you're gonna this upside of the channel here, you're gonna use it as support. So imagine you want to add, we hold this previous resistance as support and we added here, we added, then we made our stop loss at entry. So we added, made our stop loss, and so it looked amazing, you know, it looked amazing here, holding the support, amazing. But now what you want to see is Bitcoin breaking this previous short-term pivot high. I'm gonna make sure that this high here, needs to be broken. That is the strategy of it. And you wait, and it's still not broken yet. And then we saw this try out. See that? 27.5. The moment you see that the price goes back into the channel, that is a major red flag to step out and even sell into this. See that? It broke this low here, closed below, and it immediately went down. And again we can see that this resistance, this previous support here at this channel side, functioned again as resistance. You see that, guys? I'm not joking around, man. Watch this. If we extend the channel, because that is what you do, you extend this channel to keep everything intact. So what is going to happen? I'm just extending this channel, still respecting this area as resistance, and this area as support. And if you extend it, you will see that even this pump could not go back into the channel, is an indication of weakness. I hope you like this video. If you find it very informative, subscribe, like, and support the channel.